Top of the day to you guys. 𝐤𝐤𝐤 here again from Down Payment Realtors, and today I've got something really exciting, and it is all about how to get into the real estate business, how to buy land without money. Yes, you heard me right. How you can buy land without having a penny in your pocket. I've got the trick, and this video is dedicated to those who have never looked into the possibility of actually buying lands, because you probably taught yourself to never, you never taught yourself to be among those who are able to actually raise that money. I have a trick that has worked over time, and I'll be sharing it with you today. So watch this video till the end to get the trick. So guys, for the purpose of this video, we will title this trick as sell to buy. Sell to buy. And as it implies, it has to do with you selling. Now, the question is, you're already selling. I mean, the thing is, you're already selling. It's not a question. The last time you told somebody about the last buka joint you went to, that was actually a sale. You sold that restaurant to someone. The last time you told someone about one suya spot, the last time you told someone about one joint you usually love to go to, that's sales. Like I tell people, sales is not only when you have physical exchange of goods for money. Sales starts long before that. From referral, you're already selling. When you talk good about a person's character, you're selling that person. When you talk too much about a brand, if you talk too much or so much about a celebrity, you're selling. So that's what sales is all about. Your ability, your effort to expose an item that you intend to dispose of or to sell to potential buyers. Sales is not actually when the sales happen. It is actually your effort at displaying, exposing what you want to sell. That's my own definition. That's how I see it. If you are into sales, that's what you do all day. That's what you do all week, all month, all year round. You continuously go out there to expose what you have that others might need to buy, such that when they see this item through you, they will be able to call you anytime they have need of it. I'm actually on site, and I just thought of this topic, and I said, wow, this is something I've never seen anybody shared on social media, and I thought it would be a perfect one for you. Yes, this is for you. You. Yeah, you're looking at me. This is for you. Now that we know the meaning of sales, you need to choose what you want to sell. You've been selling things and you've not been getting anything in return. So this is where the trick is. There are a lot of lands in Ekpe. I have networked myself with a number of developers, and these developers are reputable, they are reliable. These are people that have taken funds out to get lands from what we call omonile, who are the troublemakers when it comes to real estate in Nigeria. And they've gone to the government lands authority to make sure that this land is out of government hold. Government doesn't need that land for anything. It is freehold. It is not under government acquisition. And they've been able to pull their resources together and acquire this land legitimately from the land occupiers or owners, or in some cases they get it directly from the government. Do you understand? So that's the first thing you need to understand. We are going to be dealing with reputable people, and the trick here is I have affiliated myself with those developers, those reputable, reliable developers, and the rest is simple. 𝐥𝐢𝐤𝐬 came to our platform and networked with us, and he brought people that are in his own network to equally buy what we promote. We promote lands in ibeju, Lekki majorly, and 𝐥𝐻, axis of Lagos State. We sell all other lands, but these are the fast-moving lands that bring quick return on investment, that also has great potential for the future. When we talk about the future, we're talking about the next 5-10 years in Lagos, of Lagos State. We're looking at the new Lagos. You've heard all about the development coming to 𝐥𝐻 and the 𝐦𝐨𝐬𝐿 axis. We've got the new airport, Lagos Airport, coming around. If you're abroad and you're watching this, you've always landed in Murtala Mohammed International Airport. Let me bust your bubble. You're going to fly now in a few years' time, and you're not going to be just landing in Murtala, but you'll have the option to select that you want to land in 𝐥𝐻 International Airport. That is the future. There's this saying I've come to learn that I love so much. The present is expensive, but the future is cheap. So in the future, you're going to remember this video when you land in 𝐥𝐻. You are either going to be happy that you listened to this video and you took action by buying 𝐥𝐻, or you'll be saying, oh, and I was told. So 𝐥𝐻 offers something that is cheap today, but will be expensive if you wait for tomorrow. So what we need to do is do exactly what 𝐦𝐨𝐬 did. What did 𝐦𝐨𝐬 do? 𝐦𝐨𝐬 brought people in his network to buy land, and he got commissions. He got commission that he saved over time, and he was able to acquire a piece of land in 𝐥𝐻 for ₦1 million. 𝐦𝐨𝐬 acquired 300 square meter that is valued at 1 million after selling to like 3 people or 2 people, or thereabout. I think it was about 2 clients. And today 𝐦𝐨𝐬 is a landlord. Is a landowner. You also can achieve that. All you have to do is leverage on this opportunity to achieve what we want. If you know you don't have money and you really desire to have a land in your name, I am telling you it is possible. All you need to do, this is the trick, all you need to do is network a developer. I have affiliated myself with so many developers. You can easily align yourself with our company, which is the Down Payment Realtors Network. We're a group of enthusiasts who want success for ourselves, who believes in making the impossible possible. Aside the land we sell, we also help people to discover themselves. There are a number of platforms you can, align your affiliation with, like those that I have been able to connect with. And, if you want to get to the root of this, if you want to discover the secret of wealth through real estate, if you don't have money, you want to start up buying land, one easy way to get that done is to register with a network, and through that network you get to know the lands that are available. You make sales, you get a commission. You can get as much as 15%. So let's use an example. Let's say a land sells for 22 million in 𝐥𝐻 or 3 million. Pick your calculator and do 15% of 3 million. So you can see what will come to you from that. At least if a land sells for 3 million and you're making 15% from 3 million, if you use 10 million, 10% of that, that'll give you like 300,000. So if you are able to sell 2 or 3 of that, we have lands in 𝐥𝐻 that costs, as I said earlier, as little as 700,000, 1 million or 2 million. You can put all this money together and you'll now be able to, to buy your own. So that is the secret. That is how to buy land without spending a penny of your own money. It has been done over and over. It has been tested, and you can also use this opportunity, to change your situation and acquire land in mass, en masse, acquire land by selling to buy for your private use. I hope this has been very useful. This information has been very useful to you. If it's useful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more insight on how you can build wealth through real estate. Just in case you are still not clear about how to buy land without your own money, how to become a landlord without having money. You don't have money, you want to be a landlord. So I'm going to explain it again in another way so that it is very, very clear and simple to you. So let's not waste time. This is it. All you need is register on this platform. We give you lands that are available, and you are able to actually expose these to people in your network that you feel will be able to buy the land. The more exposure you give to the product we give to you is what will determine how many people will come back to you to ask for price, information, and all that. And when that happens, all you need to do is just bring them back to us. And for every sale that is made, do you know that the secret you have not been told is that you can earn about 15% of whatever value the land is? So let's say a land sells for 20 million. What's the 15% of 20 million? You can answer that yourself. You know how many people you have on your social media that you can expose just by putting a picture here or there, or letting people identify you with, land sales and all that. Number two thing for your growth will be to learn the terms in real estate so that you can be fluent when you're talking to people. And that's also a very easy one. We could give you material that you can go through. You can attend different trainings for real estate, and before you know what's going on, you already have yourself equipped to go out and talk. If you want to go the extra mile, you could print a call card. You are a broker. You are not saying you own the land. You understand? You present yourself as a broker to anybody that you are meeting. You can profile people you meet on a daily basis, check their phone, check their watch. Some people now use the latest Samsung, the latest iPhone. These phones cost over ₦1 million. You look at their shoe and you look at their watches, you know what they could be worth. And you could start your conversation by saying, I think you can buy what I sell. You're a pretty girl. People want to talk to you. You want to have access to people that matter. So you can approach anybody and just give that, that line. You just have to define some line. Lines are ready-made sentences that you have to program yourself with, and as you go out, you just drop it at the appropriate time. So I think you can buy what I sell. Then the question will be, what do you sell? Then you tell them you are a broker. And you can imagine if you meet people on a monthly basis and you are very lucky that you see one or two to buy. Earning, 1 million on a on a particular sale can afford you a land in 𝐸𝐻𝐻. Land in 𝐸𝐻𝐻 start from like 800,000, some even 700,000, some 1.2, some 2 million, some 3 million. So that's the trick. That's what nobody has told you, and I want to believe this knowledge I have shared with you today will help you in discovering yourself. That same energy you have used to market that shoe you are selling is the same energy you need to market real estate. So align yourself with us. Join our network. Contact me. My number is down below, and you can send me a WhatsApp message, and I'll be happy to guide you on how to get started. I'll also be happy to introduce you to the developers I've already aligned myself with, so that together we can share profit. You understand? So I don't mind sharing profit with you while I'm helping you to also acquire your own property. So someone has done it and he's just bought his land, and you can also do the same. So that's the trick. I hope you'll take action. Thank you. So guys, if it's your first time seeing our YouTube channel, kindly click the subscription button below. Turn on your notifications so that you don't ever miss any of our amazing videos. We will always share video every week. So watch out for our next insightful video. Thank you. We thank you.